What's up, everybody? Welcome back to our channel. My name is Taj, and today I've got another good one for you guys. So today I'm going to be getting Kanisha on the "There's Another Girl Calling My Phone" prank, and the girl's name that I'm using is Jasmine. And without giving too much away, I will explain more at the end of this video who Jasmine actually is. And she's probably gonna break up with me. She might get mad. She might even slap me. I don't really know what she's gonna do, but make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification button, and let's get into this video. Hope y'all enjoy it. Peace. You good? Are you good? I'm sorry, hold on. Okay, watch this.
Tammy McCreary had never
be scary.
It's not scary.
I dated some characters, so I know all the games, I know all the stories. So when the mother of three went out to an Atlanta club one night in November 2007,
Where's my
the
phone?
last thing on
Not you ready?
Who's Jasmine?
My cousin.
we kind of made eye contact.
Why are you not
Came
answering
with
me?
drinks
No reason. Just watch
from
this.
Tammy.
She calls back
Eric
again, I'm
told Tammy
answering
that he
it.
had just moved to town from Chicago and was looking for a place to buy. Tammy, a mortgage broker, gave him her
This better
card.
not be scary.
It's not
2
scary, I
days
promise.
later, Eric called, but he was more interested in Tammy than a house. He said that he was an electrical engineer for
Watch.
one of the local utility companies. We started having lunch every day, and we talked all night.
Oh no, it's about to go down.
Hello. Who is this?
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Who is it, Taj? Because that did not sound like no black cousin.
Nobody. Let's get back to the video.
No! Who is it?
Kanisha, let's get back to the video.
Who is it, Taj?
It's cousin.
I never heard you have no cousin named Jasmine.
Oh my god. Okay, stop.
No.
Let's get back to the video. I'm gonna show you this video. Oh my god. Let's get back to the video.
No.
Let's get back to the video.
No.
Oh my god. It's not anybody. Here, it's my cousin.
No. What cousin?
It's a cousin.
On
of
whose
mine.
side?
On my daddy's side.
I ain't never heard no Jasmine.
Can we watch? Look, okay, I'll explain that later.
No, explain it
No,
now.
for real. I'll explain it later, okay?
No,
She's a cousin.
explain
She's
it
a
now.
distant cousin of mine, I promise.
So why you haven't said nothing? Where's she from?
Are you really going to ask me these questions right now?
Yeah. She done called 3 times.
Look.
And you think it's funny, but it's not.
It's funny because you're getting so mad over my cousin calling me. She probably has something important to tell me, but I'll call her back later. But go ahead and watch the video.
You'll call her before you leave here. Go ahead.
Why?
Because I said so.
No, just watch the video.
Turn it back on.
Okay, here. Just watch the video. Why y'all get so mad?
Because I want to
Let
know
me
who
send a
it
message.
is.
Let me
A
text.
message?
Look.
Let me take my jacket off.
It's about to go down. Why?
Because I said so.
Let me send her a message. Hold on. I'll tell her I'll call her back. Okay? You in my phone!
Whatever.
Listen. Okay, look. So let me send her a message real quick. It won't take long, okay? Alright? Alright, cat's out the bag. Fine. Alright, look. I promise you won't get mad.
Go ahead.
Just a cousin of mine. That's it. Are you mad or something? Well, let me have this. It's here. I'll be right back.
No.
What?
No.
No, what?
You're not going nowhere.
Why, Kanisha?
Where are you going?
When I'm thirsty, I gotta go up the street real quick.
I'll go with you.
I'm coming right back.
No, I'm not. No.
Why,
Because
Kanisha?
you are really making me mad. I'm not playing with you, and then you sitting here laughing.
Can I just go up the street real quick and come back?
Any other time you want
Please?
me to go?
Yeah, but listen, I'm just thirsty. I'll be right back.
I'm leaving.
Why?
You about to be single because I'm not playing. You don't do that because I ain't never heard of no Jasmine. I've heard everybody else, but I ain't heard of her.
Kanisha.
No, serious, nothing.
Kanisha.
Whatever.
Okay, you can stay in the car. I'll wait till later. Hold on. I'll wait till later. Okay.
Yeah, and then later you gonna be single.
Why?
Go ahead, put the video on.
Why?
Cause you don't do that.
Do what?
You don't do that.
Do what? Do what?
You sitting there saying, I'll wait till later to go this and there and.
Jasmine's my cousin. She lives. You saw the number, didn't you?
I'm gonna ask Misha and I'm gonna ask Misha.
Call Misha and ask if I got a cousin name.
No.
She's gonna tell you, yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna ask him. I am.
Okay, so we're good.
Go ahead.
You're really mad about Jasmine. For
Taj,
real?
let it go.
I can't because, like, seriously?
Okay, you said that it's your cousin, so it better be your cousin. You better hope to God that if I find out that it ain't no cousin, you are gonna be single.
You ain't leaving. Are you?
Let me find out.
Let you find out.
Let me find out.
I just want to show you this video.
Okay, show me.
That's it.
Show me.
And then can we talk about that later?
Show me.
Can we talk about that later?
Okay.
Please?
Go ahead.
Please?
Yep.
You really mad at me?
Go ahead.
No, for real. Are
Yeah,
you really
I
mad?
am.
Why?
Because.
Who do you
Because
think Jasmine...
you ain't never done that. Like when somebody calls you, like, oh, well, answer it, or oh, this is so and so, and this is and that, and then now it's it's just a cousin. Oh, she lives so and so.
Well, you saw the number, didn't you?
Okay.
What?
Okay.
You smiling, so we're good.
Go ahead.
Kanisha, what?
I'm about to leave.
Why are you
You
gonna
are
leave?
making me mad.
About what? I'm not doing anything.
So it's your cousin?
Yes.
Okay. Go ahead.
So we're good?
Go ahead.
You sure?
Go ahead, Tom.
Give me a hug.
Go ahead.
Give me a hug now.
No, because I'm not doing this. Go ahead.
Why? She's a cousin of mine. She's a cousin. She's just a cousin of... Really? Come on, man. Why are you so
I'm
mad?
leaving.
Why?
Because I'm not doing this.
Doing what?
I'm not doing this.
We're not
Because
doing anything.
you are acting totally different, and I don't know what's up, so I'm leaving.
What are you talking
No,
about?
I'm leaving. And then you going to sit here and laugh. No, I'm not doing it.
Oh, where you gonna
You're
go?
not about to play me.
Ain't nobody playing you.
Bye.
Ain't nobody playing... Wait, Kanisha.
No.
Ain't nobody playing you.
Bye.
Kanisha.
Nope. Taj, get off. Get off. I'm not playing. Stop.
It's a prank.
A prank.
Hold on. Got it. Oh, man. Shut the
prank.
door. Shut the door. Shut the door.
What is this prank?
Call Jasmine back.
Hello?
Hi, Sydney.
Sydney did that? Sydney! Sydney did it.
It was Sydney the whole time.
Sydney freak. Oh my God. Sydney, you supposed to be on the other side. You about to make him be single.
I had her head on it the whole time.
Sydney, when I see you, oh my God. You're gonna get it, Sydney. You're gonna get it. I didn't even know. I used to recognize your voice. When did you play this?
Like I think it was last month? Like sometime last week.
Okay, so then I'll get you back.
I love you.
Love you too.
Y'all have fun.
Alright, bye.
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 What is that? Is it a cheating thing? What was it?
Another girl calling my phone.
But that's not her name. How'd you do
I
it?
had to change the name so you wouldn't pick up on
Todd!
it. Can I get a hug now?
You about to be single? I'm not playing.